Reagan Ranzer, the reporter for Palmetto Life. We're here at the Neal Brothers warehouse, one of many. We're going to get a behind-the-scenes look of everything that they do here. I'm here with Ryan Walling, the operations manager. Thank you so much for having us out here.
Absolutely. It's a pleasure having you.
We're so excited to get to kind of spend a day with you and see what goes on in here. So before we start this awesome day, let's talk about the Neal Brothers. What is it, and what can you tell the audience about what y'all do?
We do warehousing, break bulk, packing and crating, major logistics operations.
And then this location is a little bit different from y'all's other ones. So specifically, what does this location do?
This location here at Domino is one of our flagship locations. This is mainly a container hub where we unload containers, warehouse the products, and then we load the containers out on trucks for our customers.
And so can you talk to me about the importance of doing all of that and making sure that you take care of your customers as well?
One of our top concerns is taking care of our customers, taking care of their products, servicing them the way that they want to be serviced.
Perfect. All right, should we go in and get our tour started?
Sure, yeah, let's go.
All right, let's do it. All right, so now we're inside the warehouse. It's a little warmer in here. We've got our vest on, making sure that we're all safe. Now, at the beginning of the day, what is one of the jobs that kind of gets the day started?
These guys will be given work orders. They'll pull their orders and get ready to load trucks.
And then this organization is very important as well. So can you talk about that?
Everything is located with a certain number, certain SKU, part numbers, types. So these guys know exactly where their stuff is at.
All right, so now we're here at the loading dock area. They're putting products into the carrier right now. So let's talk about that position and what that job entails.
Yeah, so this is the next step in the process where we just left, where the guys were scanning product, locating product. Here they're staging product. They'll be loading it in the dry van. That's where experience comes in. They have to know how to distribute the weight in the truck for DOT purposes.
So why is it important that they make sure that weight in the carrier is the way that it needs to be when put in there?
Yeah, so DOT requires the weight to be distributed in the truck correctly. Can't have too much weight forward, can't have too much weight back. This is a final destination load, so it's going to go directly where it needs to go.
All right, so now we're here at the Ashley Phosphate location here at one of their other warehouses. So talk to me a little bit about what y'all do at this location.
We have 250,000 square foot here, 15 dock doors. We're unloading and loading containers and loading trucks today.
Awesome. Should we go take a look about what they're doing right now?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's do it. Okay, so now we're here at the loading dock. This time they're unloading. So tell me about that.
Yeah, so right now we got the guys unloading containers. He'll be putting the product in the warehouse. Somebody else will be organizing it and storing it in the warehouse per SKU and part number. All right, so behind us we got an operator right now loading some wire rod coils on a flatbed. This is another final destination load. The coils will be strapped down and tarped and shipped to our customer.
What is this material made for?
So this material here, this wire rod, is going to be used for tires that are in your biggest name, brand name tires. So a lot of this product that are in this warehouse is stuff that we use every day, like these wire rod coils for our tires. All this dimensional lumber is used to build our homes and our stores. So a lot of this stuff that we get is stuff that we use every day, and it's vital to our life.
All right, so now we're here at one of the third locations of the day, one of the final locations, still getting a behind the scenes look. So tell us where we are and what y'all do at this location.
So the importance of this location is the proximity to the Columbus Street Terminal and Hugh Leatherman Terminal, where we're going to concentrate on break bulk and our large scale commodity items.
So when we're going into this next warehouse, what can we expect to see?
You're going to see a full pack shop, wood shop inside where we can crate just about anything. You're going to see an overhead crane. You're going to see 55,000 pound forklifts. We're doing flat racks and container work at this location.
Awesome. All right, well, let's go check it out.
All right, let's go. All right, we're inside now. Outside where we just were is where all our handling is going to come in. Anything that needs to be packed and crated will be done here at our pack shop. We have all the tools necessary to build crates, big and small. As you can see, this guy's building a skid here for a customer. Inside, they're craning pieces onto skids, foil bag, and shrink wrapping inside there.
All right, well, that about wraps up our day in the life. Is there anything else you would like the people to know?
I would just like to say thank you for coming along with us, and I hope y'all enjoyed the inside look at our industry, and it was an honor to have y'all.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for having us. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.